This is the goal. 2 things not to do. Spend your time enjoying, don't do this, or spend your time rejecting that things are not the way how you imagine them to be.
Shi Heng Yi teaches that the real challenge with sensual desire is not the desire itself, but the way the mind identifies with it. A thought or image arises, the senses are attracted, and the body follows. In those moments, awareness is lost. This lack of presence causes inner conflict because the temporary satisfaction of the senses never leads to lasting peace.
Sensual desire means you are too receptive for any type of pleasurable feeling in regards to your 5 senses. You are being too quickly attracted when you see something beautiful. You're too quickly attracted if you smell something tasty. You're too quickly distracted when you have physical touch. So the first hindrance means you are losing the goal already, because in the moment something pleasurable is being presented to you, your mind has shifted already. So that means that first mental state only means, look, be aware of what is it that you are very easily attracted to. It doesn't say it's bad, it doesn't say it's good, it just says in the context of you want to reach your goal, how to reach the goal the quickest, be focused with your energy, meaning be focused with the mind. Don't lose the goal from the mind. Whatever you do from the moment of waking up until the evening, whatever you do, keep the goal in the mind. This is the quickest way of making this goal become real.
Shi Heng Yi often reminds us that sensual desire is one of the most powerful forces that can distract the human mind from clarity, balance, and inner freedom. It is natural, deeply rooted in our biology, and part of the human experience. Yet, when left unchecked, it can easily become a chain that ties us to suffering. In Buddhist and Shaolin teaching, sensual desire is not seen as something evil, but as a form of attachment that clouds perception. When the senses constantly seek stimulation, whether through food, touch, entertainment, or attraction, it creates dependency. Master Shi Heng Yi will lead you through 3 hands-on tasks that will help you understand how qi moves through the body and how to use your mind to free up energy that is stuck and help yourself and others heal from the inside out. This opening exercise involves raising the arms above the head, extending the spine, and gently stretching upward as if offering something to the sky. This is another wonderful practice for freeing up tension, so you can release pain and enjoy greater flexibility and comfort. This is a powerful exercise for gathering your qi and protecting yourself from any unwanted energy around you. When you're centered, it's easier to prevent stress and avoid high blood pressure. This exercise develops inner strength and resilience of both body and mind. It creates a sense of stillness and unity between body and mind. Do this 3 times a day if you have any illness, and you can do it even more times. They can help you release the symptoms of allergies. It is very, very powerful and useful.